All right, so we're down in our powder coats. Hold on. All right, guys, we're down in our powder coat facility, and here's a set of rock sliders that just came down from manufacturing. You can see the machine or brush finish that's on them. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go we're gonna sandblast all these so it has this finish. It makes the powder adheres to them better. You can see here we're sandblasting our stuff, and then over here, I'm gonna take you over here. So some people would ask and say, that's not powder coat? Nope, this is an etching primer coat that we put on before we powder coat them. And the reason why we do it in gray is so when we go back over it with our BK59 textured black, we can see if there's any light areas that we need to go back in and touch up for them. But this primer etching substance is really nice, and the reason it works so good is because it really helps to just kind of put a double coat on the rock slider and you can see him over here, he's actually inspecting them with the flashlight. And so what we've done is we've gone in here in the corners first to add powder, and you can see he's checking those areas to make sure before we take the next step to then go ahead and coat the whole thing. But people say, why do you do that? We do that again for trying to make sure that we keep the quality that Westcott Designs is built on and what we're doing and why we're doing it. Where a lot of companies, they usually will just powder coat rock sliders after sandblasting them, and they won't take them, they won't primer coat them like this. That's why we offer the longest warranty for our rock sliders and our products than any other company in the industry. We are 6 months longer than the next closest company out there for as far as warranties go. So when someone says, my Westcott parts are rusting or this or that, there's usually more to the story, whether they lived on the ocean and they lived up in Massachusetts where the weather's bad or what it is, or they've owned it for 4 or 5 years now. Powder coat does not live forever. I will tell people that our powder coat will outlive the undercarriage that you bought your vehicle from. It'll outlive that surface area if they're both in climate areas that are the same. So you can see here, we're just taking this to the next level. And hope you guys understand what it means to us to do so to make sure that your products are what you deserve to receive. So you can see our oven behind us here. We've got 2 racks of rock sliders in there right now. These ones are getting ready to go into primer. These ones have been primered. They're gonna go into the other oven here. They're gonna bake here. And you can see these ones just came out of baking. Now over there, they're getting touched up in the corners where they wanna touch them up. And we basically preheated those, and we're doing those. And then what'll happen is then they'll get black coated and they'll go in for final bake. So it's quite a process that we make sure that we do. And obviously it takes more time for us and it costs us more money. But on the turn of things, we wanna make sure that you as a consumer, you're paying for premium products or ultra premium products, and we wanna make sure that you're getting what you deserve.